Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Owayo, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make puff puff. But today is not just a recipe for ordinary puff puff, it's actually for puff that studied abroad. And I'm going to be making banana and coconut puff puff. I'm going to be showing you how to mix these ingredients together. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below and like my video, as well as click the notification bell to get notified when I post awesome videos and awesome recipes. But let's get cooking. Okay, so the ingredients we have laid before us, of course, I have my flour. I have 2 cups of flour here. I have 2/3 cups of sugar. I'm a sweet tooth, so you might want to reduce this actually. I have half a cup of coconut milk. I have a 1/4 cup of coconut flakes. I have 2 teaspoons of yeast. I have a dash of like nutmeg and a dash of salt. Nutmeg is completely optional. It's usually used in buns, but I like how it tastes. I like the flavoring it gives, which is why I'm going to put in this puff puff. And then of course I have my banana, my ripe banana, and I have the oil we're going to use in frying. I'm also going to use some warm water to dissolve the yeast. But these are the ingredients. So to start, I'm going to dissolve the yeast in some warm water and sugar. I take a little out of my sugar, a little warm water, so this yeast can dissolve. I'm gonna set this aside for about 5 minutes so the yeast can activate. I have my 2 bowls, one for wet ingredients and one for my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna season my flour. I want it to be as airy as possible. My flour has been sieved and I'm going to add my sugar, add the nutmeg, which is completely optional, and add my salt. I'm gonna mix that together. For the wet ingredients, I'm gonna mash my banana first. I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Add my coconut flakes to this. This is my yeast. As you can see, it's like already raised like nicely. This is really good yeast actually. So I'm gonna add it to my wet mixture. It's time to combine the two. Combine all the flour in the mix before you like add water, so you don't end up with a little tray mix situation. I'm going to add a little water, so just literally like a teaspoon or a tablespoon of water rather. I'm just going to cover this with some cling wrap. Cover this one more layer and put it in the warm place. So I actually let this rise for an hour 30 minutes, so let's see. Because you can see sort of like the gaps in it. I don't know if that makes sense, the holes. It was nicely. So it's time to fry. So I'm just heating up some oil right now. When the oil is done heating, we're going to start frying. So the oil is hot enough right now, so I'm going to start putting the turn all of them so they get equal love in the pan. There's the bananas and coconut. The texture is obviously going to differ from regular puff puff, but it will still like be very airy inside. So that is it for the puff puff recipe with coconut and banana. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to like kick this up a notch, you can serve this puff puff with coconut flakes like at the side and like eat the coconut with the coconut flakes. So I mean eat the puff puff with the coconut flakes and going to really bring out that texture and flavor. But I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I'm about to enjoy myself some cocoa or some coconut and banana cocoa and call it a day. Till next time.